Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got some fantastic and super simple indoor water garden ideas that anyone can try. Stick around for some inspiration that will transform your indoor space in a garden. Having an indoor water garden comes with several perks. Firstly, it enhances air quality by naturally purifying the air. Additionally, it acts as a stress relief, providing soothing environment. Imagine bringing a sleek nature into your home. That exactly what an indoor water garden does. The best part, it is super easy to create and you don't need to be a gardening expert. Whether you are a beginner or seasoned gardener, the process is straightforward. So, if you are looking for a simple way to boost your well being and suppress up your living space, consider setting up your own indoor water garden and effortlessly and enjoyable and over for everyone. When choosing container for your indoor water garden, option for items like glass vessels, ceramic bowls or decorative containers. These not only add a touch of style to your space but also serve as ideas home for water loving plants. It is crucial to pick a container without drainage holes to retain water. This help create a mini aquatic environment for your plants as they rely on the water held in healthy and thrive indoor water garden. So when you are setting up your watery oasis, remember choose a container that is both visually appealing and functional for the well-being of your aquatic green companions. Discovering the perfect plants for your indoor water garden is a breezy option for low maintenance aquatic buddies like lucky bambos, water lilies, or photos. Lucky bambos adds charm, water lilies bring a touch of elegance, and photos offering vibrant greenery. Let's dive into their care essentials. For sunlight, these buddies perfect bright indirect light. Think a cozy spot near a window but not under direct rays. Keep their feet wet, literally their root in clean filtered water. Room temperature is their sweet spot, so avoid extreme cold or heat. With these simple tips, your indoor water garden will flourish. Begin by choosing a suitable containers like a glass vessels or decorative bowls. Place a layer of small stone at the bottom for stability. Gently arrange your chosen aquatic plants such as lucky bambos or water lilies, ensuring they have enough space to grow. Use clean filtered water for your indoor water gardens. Tap water may contain chemicals harmful to aquatic plants. Fill your containers carefully, ensuring not to disturb plants. Clean water promotes plants' health and thrive environment. Check for any discoloration or unusual smells in the water, and if needed, perfect regular water change to keep your indoor water garden fresh and vibrant. Remember, a happy water garden starts with good water quality. Maintaining your indoor water garden is a breezy with these simple tips. First, make sure to change the water regularly to keep it fresh and clean. This helps your plants thrive. Remove any debris like fallen shelf or bits of dirty, as they can affect your garden healthy. Now let's troubleshoot common issue. If your leaves are turning yellow, it might be due to too much sunlight or not enough nutrients. Move your garden to a shadow spot or add some liquid plants food. Limit sunlight exposure and reduce feeding. To track fall odors, consider adding activated charcoal or adjusting the water pH. These easy solutions ensure a happy and vibrant indoor water garden for everyone to enjoy. And there you have it, simple and stylish idea to revamp your indoor space into a garden. So if you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more make indoor plant garden ideas. Until the next time.